Hello! Today I will tell you how to make your own brush in AliveColors. The custom brush can be of any shape. Now I will show you how to make one from an image. First, let's cut out the object we need. I will do this using the Select Subject feature. Invert the selection using Ctrl-Shift-I combination and remove the background with the Delete key. Reset the selection with Ctrl-D combination or by clicking anywhere on the canvas. Now go to the Edit, New Brush. Confirm the creation of a new shape. Now we can assign it to our brush. To do this, select the Color Brush tool and open the Full Options panel by pressing F5. In the element list, pick a Select Shape option, then click the gear icon to open the additional brush settings. Here you can find the created shape and customize your brush with various parameters. All your changes are shown in the preview area. After all the settings done, save the brush. In this field you can also name it whatever you like. But what if you want something your own shape, something special? Well, the order is the same. Draw the base of the brush. It can be anything really. The main thing is the background must be white or transparent. Now go through the same cycle of settings and get a funny new brush. Be creative, and thanks for choosing AliveColors.